In this video, I'll show you how to fix the not available in your region issue for Pokémon Champions. First, understand that this is not a bug on your phone. It usually means the game is not yet released in your country, or it is not available for your App Store region. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection and refresh the Google Play Store or App Store, then search again for Pokémon Champions. If it still does not appear, go to your App Store settings and make sure your account region matches your current country. Next, make sure your phone and App Store are fully updated to the latest version. If the game still does not show up, it means the app has not been released in your region yet, or it is being rolled out slowly in different countries. In that case, there is no fix on your device, and you will wait until it becomes officially available in your region. And that's how you can deal with Pokémon Champions not available in your region. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on